how to delete random events on calendar on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So many iPhone users experience random spam events appearing on their calendar, which can be confusing and annoying. So, to manage these unwanted events, start by opening up the Settings app and then scroll down to the bottom, tap on Apps, and then on the search bar, search for Calendar. Tap on it and then go to Calendar Accounts. And here, check for any unfamiliar accounts that may have been added unknowingly. So sometimes accounts being added unknowingly will also put in random events on your calendar. Now, but sometimes it might be because you set and randomly event without knowing. So for that, you can just go to your calendar and then just find the random event and you can just long press on it and then you'll find the delete option right there. Just hit delete and it will be deleted. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.